Magandang araw po mga kasama at kaibigang flight attendants at stewards ng Philippine Airlines. Ako, si Risa Ontiveros mula sa Akbayan Party ay buong pusong nakikiisa sa mga pinaglalaban ninyong adhikain sa ilalim ng inyong samahang Flight Attendants and Stewards Association of the Philippines o FASA. I join you in your fight to put an end to the unreasonable retirement age limits as imposed and insisted upon by the PAL management. This is a direct violation of your right to job security and puts in a position of social and economic instability your families as it prohibits you from making any strategic plans for your family's future. The unjust retirement age is also rooted in sexism and gender discrimination. As a woman, I find this shameful and outrageous. It treats women, especially women workers, as sex objects, discriminating against us on the basis of aesthetic qualities rather than skills and capabilities to provide flight safety and comfort. Tinututulan po ng akbayan at ng inyong lingkod ang lahat ng forma ng sexism at gender discrimination. Our Constitution, as well as different international treaties, protect workers and women from discrimination and sexism in the workplace. There is no reason for PAL not to conform. Sinusuportahan din po namin ang inyong panawagan para sa makatarungang pregnancy, maternity, and motherhood policies. Dahil dito ang buong hanay ng Akbayan Party kasama ng aming mga representante sa Kongreso ay sumusuporta sa inyong laban para sa makatao at makatarungang trabaho. Makakaasa kayo na sasamahan namin kayo sa inyong makatuwirang laban hanggang ito ay magtagumpay. Mabuhay ang mga flight attendants at stewards ng PAL. Mabuhay ang FASA.